is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and for the new viewers, what's up? So for today's video is going to be a collab video with Rhema Xpressions. I'm gonna go ahead and leave a link to her channel down in the description box below. Go ahead and punch that link and go ahead and check out her video. But for today's video, it is this look right here, and it is using the Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance Palette. It was kind of difficult coming up with a look because I normally do the rose gold type of appeal, but I did something a little bit different. I don't even know what I'm going to call this. I don't know, but you'll probably see it in the description box and actually the name of the actual video. You'll see it there. I'll come up with something nice, but you guys will see it there. All the colors, this is like one of my favorite palettes. I love this palette. As you can see, the Cypress Umber, this nice brown color is what I normally use, and it's almost done. But all the colors in the palettes are really beautiful, and it's a mix of different shades. You have your neutrals, your red tones, your deep earthy tones, and then you have mattes and also shimmery shades. So if you guys haven't tried this palette, go ahead and check it out. Modern Red or Anastasia Beverly Hills also has another palette called I think it's Subculture palette, and there's a new one. It's a purple shade. I honestly don't remember the name of it, but I kind of want to try that out. So if I do end up finding that palette, I'm going to go ahead and check it out. And I'm going to do a couple of looks for you guys if I do get that palette. But if you want to see exactly how I got this awesome look, please go ahead and stay tuned, guys. Basically, to start off this look, I already have my eyebrows done, and if you do want to see how I do my eyebrows, I'll go ahead and leave a link right up here for you guys. So to start this look, what you want to do is actually start off by priming your lids, and today I'm going to be using the MAC Longwear Paint Pot Line Low, and it's this right here. I'm going to go ahead and put these on my lids, and then I'm going to set it with the Sasha Buttercup Setting Powder, which everyone uses this. It is the bomb, and it's great, so that's what I'm going to do. So now that I have actually primed my lids, I'm going to go ahead and start with the Anastasia Beverly Hills. Like I said, I'm using this palette throughout the entire time, and we're going to start off with a nice transition color. And the shade that I'm going to be using is this shade right here, which is burnt orange. I'm going to go ahead and put that in my crease and kind of build all of that up for you guys. So I'll show you exactly what that looks like. So now that I actually put the burnt orange in my crease, I'm going to go ahead and deepen that burnt orange. I'm going to use this color here, which is Red Ochre. That's this beautiful shade here. I'm going to put that directly on that burnt orange color, just to try and create like a really nice gradient effect. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. The red ochre inside the crease, what I'm going to do is go ahead and cut that crease. And what I'm going to be using is the MAC Pro Conceal and Correct palette in the shade Dark. It looks just like this. Excuse this, that is just foundation that I put on there. I use that for my foundation. But I'm going to use this shade up here, which is the the NC45. Yeah, NC45, and I'm going to use that to go ahead and cut my crease. And when you do cut your crease, just remember that basically you're going to aim it to where your actual crease is within your eyeball. So if you look at your lid, look at the actual crease of where we open your eyes, you actually see that little line, and then go a little bit above that and create your crease that way. I'll go ahead and show you guys exactly what I do so that you get an idea of how to do it. But I'm going to go ahead and use this color here, and I'm going to go ahead and cut that crease. What I'm going to do is use this shade right here, which is Fresco, Buon Fresco. I'm going to use that and place it in my inner lid. And for the outer lid, kind of on the fence. I don't know if I want to do a Buon Fresco and then a Cypress Umber, or a Buon Fresco and maybe like Love Letter, but we'll see. So we're going to start off with this shade first. Look, we're going to start off with this shade first, and we'll see how we're going to see the process. I'm going to go ahead and use that Cypress Umber color. It's pretty much like a dark brown, and it is this shade right here. I'm going to go ahead and put that on the outer corners of each eye. Oh, that's my phone. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put down the outer corners of each eye, and I think that might be it. So that's pretty much it, and to line my lids I'm going to be using the Skinny Liquid Eyeliner, and it looks just like this. This is kind of like a drugstore eyeliner. You can use any one that you want, and I'm just going to line the bottom line of my lids. I'm going to give a kind of like a wing liner type of look, and then we're going to put on foundation and put everything together. I'm also going to put on lashes as well. Alright, so now that the eyes are done, I'm going to go ahead and move on to the face. And to start off, to prime the face, I have oily skin, and I always use the Becca Ever Matte Poreless Perfecting Primer. I'm going to go ahead and place this all over my face. Alright, so after priming my entire face, I'm going to go ahead and use the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation, and this is in the shade Mahogany. I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn. I'm going to go ahead and highlight. I'm going to go ahead and use the Sacha Buttercup setting powder and place that all over the places where I put the concealer. While that pretty much stays and kind of simmers on my face, I'm going to go ahead and contour, and I'm using the Fenty Beauty Matchstick. It's in Espresso, and I'm going to go ahead and start contouring. Next, I'm going to go ahead and set that contour with the CoverGirl Queen collection, and it's in the shade Ebony Bronze. This right here. So next, what I'm going to do is go ahead and go back with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm going to place a under cheek highlight. So the under the cheek highlight, you don't want it to stay there too long, so once you put it on, you kind of just want to go ahead and dust that off. And then dust everything else off. Going back to the eyes, I want to kind of brighten up my eyes just a tad bit. I'm going to go back into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance Palette. I'm going to use the shade, it's either Primavera or Vermeer. Actually, I'll use Vermeer. So it's this shade right here. I'm going to go ahead and use this and put it in my inner tear duct. for the bottom lash line, I'm going to go and use the shade Cypress Umber, which is this shade right here, and I'm going to place that right here in the bottom lash line. Now on to highlighting, and I do like highlighting. What I want to use is, I'm going to go in and use Primavera, which is this shade right here. I love this color. It's such a beautiful goldeny, really nice shade. Very good as a highlight actually. So I'm going to take a little bit of this shade here and I'm going to place it on my cheekbones to highlight that a little bit. For a all over face color, or all over setting the face pretty much, I'm going to go and use MAC. This is the Dark Deep Mineralized Skin Finish. My favorite finisher. My favorite setting powder. I use this one, and I also use the Black Opal Deluxe Finishing Powder. This one's really good as well, but that one is really like loose. It's like a really loose powder. So all I'm doing really is just placing this all over my face just to set everything completely. To set everything, I'm going to go ahead and spray the MAC Prep and Prime, the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. Alright, so the final step is lips, and I'm gonna make a kind of neutral, really nice shade. So this is my go-to shade for any type of lips that I do. This is the MAC lip pencil, and it's in the shade Chestnut. I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with this. So after I actually line everything and it looks pretty awesome, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Kiki Milano's lip stain, and it's in the shade 08. It's this peach color here. When you first put it on, it's going to look crazy, but just watch, okay? And I'm gonna show you a trick to make it work. Alright, so after you put it on, see how kind of crazy it looks? All you have to do is pretty much like mush your lips together and it comes out perfectly. Just like that. See? To set, well, not necessarily set that, but I like the glossy lip look. I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Balm Gloss, and I'm going to apply this directly on top of that. Okay guys, so this is the completed final look. Please let me know what you guys think. And if you do love this video, don't forget to go ahead and give it a big old fat old nasty old thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and also make sure you hit that notification bell, because whenever I upload a video, you will be directly notified. Also, I did a collab. Make sure you go ahead and check the description box, click that link and support your girl. And I'll see you guys next time, alright? Bye guys!